I really want a better tool to collaborate with my team for managing workflow.
Hey Ram, you've got to check out the 3D Experience platform. It's a total game changer for collaboration. You can see updates in real time and ditch the endless email threads.
Really? How does it work?
It's a central hub where you can chat, share files, and see instant updates. It integrates design, simulation, and manufacturing tools all in one place.
That sounds efficient. What about data management?
You can manage all project data in one spot, track changes, and avoid outdated files. It's like a constantly updated digital filing cabinet.
Can you customize it to fit your needs?
Absolutely. You can tailor dashboards and integrate it with other tools. Plus, there's mobile access for managing projects on the go.
That's impressive. It sounds perfect for project management.
Exactly. It's a supercharged toolkit for design and engineering. Definitely worth exploring.
Thanks for the info, Sam. I'll check it out. Anytime, Ram. Enjoy exploring the future of design and engineering.